Welcome to another episode of Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears. This cute little thing is the bolt head size finder, part number 1753. It is a steel, kind of a scissor mechanism with a little slider that allows you to drop any hex shape in here within reason, and it will indicate you the size in either SAE or metric. We all know the old ways, grabbing a rail full of sockets and inserting the bolt's head to see which one it is, or even getting your adjustable pliers and trying to guess the correct size of it. But those days are long gone. The more time you save, the more efficient and professional you become. So now you can just get your bolt head size finder out and give it a go. The range on this keychain tool is quite wide. It accurately measures metric bolt heads from 8 up to 25 millimeters and SAE from 5/16 to 1 inch. No more squinting or estimating. Know your bolt sizes with confidence. Crafted with precision in mind, this tool ensures you have the right information for any project. Our bolt head size finder keychain boasts a portable and accessible design. It easily attaches to your keyring, ensuring that you'll always have it when you need it. This keychain empowers you to work smarter, not harder, by making it easy for you to know which socket size you need. Save time, reduce frustration, and enhance your efficiency with a tool that reflects quality and innovation. Say goodbye to tools that are hard to use and hello to ease of access. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Keep it cool and greasy.